In this video I'll be showing you how to replace the standard visor on an Arai Char V helmet. Start by fully opening the visor, and this will expose the two visor retaining clips on each side of the helmet. Now, with your helmet facing away from you, pushed up against your chest, you can put a finger underneath each of the retaining clips and pull them up until you feel no more resistance. Now gently you can just continue to rotate the visor all the way back until it pops off. If replacing your visor with an aftermarket one, check the visor type in advance. This particular one on the Char V is an I type. Broken and damaged pods are quite common on Arais, and this is usually due to misfitting the visor. The Arai visor mechanism is located just behind the pod. Take some time to locate the visor and get used to what this feels like. When the visor is correctly seated, you'll feel a click and the side clips will pop back out again. As you get more comfortable with Arai's unique visor system, you'll find that there are two easy ways of fitting the visor. One side at a time, as shown here, or both sides together with the helmet facing away from you, as we showed you earlier on. And in a nutshell, that is how you replace an Arai I-type visor. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow and comment below. Thanks again.